This is a fit for a 2014 through 2018 and possibly beyond Toyota Highlander with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium Aeroblade base roof rack system. The system is using the Aeroblade load bars in silver, 53 inches in length, the Rapid Podium foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and all the necessary fasteners to connect to the fixed point connections. This is part number KIT 3134. The bars are in a fixed position at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.